Upgrading your bike with new mirrors can seem like a quick win until you realise that they don't come with the right bar ends to finish the job. If you own a Triumph water-cooled bike from 2016 onwards, then this issue is almost guaranteed to affect you. In this video, I'm going to take you through the unboxing of my Tech bar end mirrors, a quick installation guide which is especially relevant if you own one of these 2016 onwards Triumph water-cooled bikes, so stay tuned. So these are the mirrors that I bought from Tech Bike Parts. They're a CNC'd round end bar mirror and they're available in black or silver, and I got them for just under 50 quid. The mirror itself is 81mm in diameter and it's this lovely blue tint. They're CNC alloyed and you can really feel the quality in these. So they come with a universal bar end kit and they can fit a variety of different handlebars from 7/8 to 1 inch or 22 to 25mm. Unfortunately, they don't fit the street twin because there is a little anomaly in the end of the bars on a street twin, but I'll show you exactly how to fit them on that if you're looking to fit them to a street twin or a bike with similar handlebars. These are the 3 spacers you get, so they basically fill the gap between the clamp of the mirror and the handlebar, and that's the clamp itself. So it's of quite a wide diameter, but you can shrink it down by using the different spacers. Now this is the universal kit that you get with the Tech Bike Part mirrors, and as you can see the bar end is actually extended, it's like a mushroom, which doesn't fit inside the street twin handlebars. When I purchased these mirrors a few years ago, I didn't realise that the universal fitting kit wouldn't work with my specific bike model. As a result, I've had to spend an additional £15 on bar ends plus £5 for postage, bringing the total cost of these mirrors to £70. And at that price point, there are plenty of other options out there. If you're set on these particular mirrors, then check out some cheaper options available on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. So installing these Tech bar end mirrors couldn't be easier. Simply choose your correct size spacer, and in my case of the street twin, it's the fattest spacer, and that slides over the end of the bar itself. Then all you need to do is get the arm of the mirror and remove the pin at the top, because that's going to make it a lot easier to slide over the spacer onto the handlebar. What I then do is insert the clamp bolt. You don't want to do this up tight just yet, because you want to be able to move the arm and position the mirror in the right spot for you. Then all we need to do is screw in the bottom half, which is the mirror itself, onto the arm. And again, don't do this up too tight, because you're going to want to move that and get that in place before you do anything up too tight. Once you're happy with the position, you can then go ahead and tighten up those screws. Now it's time to attach our bar end caps, which should fit nice and flush at the end of the bar. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel, there's always more videos coming up. In the meantime, safe riding, safe driving, happy adventures, and I'll see you in the next one.